Today topic is Ohm's law. Everybody know that Ohm's law V directly proportional to I, so which means that I equal to V by R. George Simon Ohm, okay, he was the scientist invented Ohm's law. Okay, for understanding Ohm's law, here we can take a two tanks with filling half of the water, isn't it? So equally the water having on both tubs. Is it clear? So there is no water flow while having a same quantity of water, isn't it? See, tank 1 and tank 2 we can see. So if you increase the tank height, okay, so if we keep certain height of tank 2 as shown in figure, you can see the levels, okay. So the level 1 tank lower, level 2 tank is a higher one, isn't it? So that the water is flowing so higher to lower. Is it clear? So in this way the water flow will be coming from higher to water. So here the height, the water flow is directly proportional to height. If height increases, the water flow also will be increases. You will see in Ohm's law. So we can implement. Suppose the another factor, if you thin the pipe, so automatically water flow decreases, isn't it? So that earlier we have seen, if increases the height, automatically the flow will be increases. F directly proportional to H. So that means the thickness automatically slow flow will be reduces. So that F inversely proportional to, that is T, isn't it? So earlier we have seen F directly proportional to H. If height increases, the flow also will be increases, isn't it? So that thickness thin decreases, automatically flow decreases. That is inversely proportional. Have understood? So F equal to H by T. H is the height, so T is the thickness of the pipe, that is the thinness. So how much size? So we can implement it, isn't it? So we can take the circuit having a one battery and one ammeter, so and resistance, and this is the circuit. So you can imagine, so that is the same fundamentals we have to implement here. So F directly proportional to H, F inversely proportional to T. So that is F equal to H by T, isn't it? So in this way you can take, so I is equal to V by R. So instead of F you can write I, instead of H you can write V, instead of T you can write R, isn't it? So I is the flow of current so in the circuit. Earlier, so water is flowing, so water, here the current is flowing, in the sense increases, so the current flow will be decreases. Resistance decreases, the current flow will be increases. It will be given I equal to V by R. So the relation is I equal to V by R, which means that I directly proportional to V, I inversely proportional to 1 by R. So you can say that, so more potential difference, more current so will flows. So here more resistance, less current will flow. So the resistance increases, the current decreases. The resistance decreases, the current increase in the circuit. So we can finally conclude, more potential difference, so more current will flows, more resistance, less current will flows at a constant temperature. This Ohm's law works